Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk to you about the Uni Panel Bath Panel Fixer. This is designed to make fitting bath panels really simple. So fitting the Uni Panel Fixer Kit is very simple. The first thing we need to do is install the stanchions underneath the lip of the bath edge and screw them to the correct height. So step 2, we need to fit the Velcro pads onto the stanchions, which makes the bath panel easy to remove later on. Step 3, we fit the Velcro pads onto the bath panel so that when we push the panel up to the stanchions, they will stick together and hold the bath panel in place. We position the stanchions under the bath edge, adjust it to the correct height, and then we screw the stanchions into position. The Uni Panel Fixer Kit is a great product because it saves you time and money. It's easy and quick to install. There's no need for silicone or screw holes in the panels, and the panels are easily removable once fitted. They can be used on wood, acrylic, tiled or MDF panels, and it can be used on acrylic or pressed steel baths, and is suitable for standard baths, shower baths or corner baths. All in all, it's a great product. If this is of interest to you, simply click on the link below and it will take you to our website where you can find this and all of our other innovative products and your local stockist. Thanks for watching.